Dear Dr. Pratyush Mishra, I bring all the greetings and wishes from all the SPEED faculties for your wonderful achievement in PGI Chandigarh in 2021 session for scoring rank number 4 in neurosurgery.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
And we want to know something about Dr. Pratyush Mishra. Where is he coming from? Where it is MBBS? Where it is MS? And why did you want to do a plastic surgery?
Sir, I'm from Delhi itself, and I did my MBBS from KGMC Lucknow, and my MS yes, sir. I completed my MS last year from SN Medical College, Agra.
SN Medical College?
Agra.
Agra, okay, fine.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why neurosurgery?
Sir, neurosurgery, it's always given me a charm. I don't know why, but when I was in MBBS time, there was neurosurgery department, and every time I used to go there, I felt like this is the thing that I wanted to do always. And even when I was posted in neurosurgery department in the SN during my PG times also, so this is one branch that has always, so it gave me some kind of a feeling that this is the thing that you should do.
Now, how long you have been working in neurosurgery?
I'm not working in neurosurgery department, so I was a SR in general surgery in Agra itself.
Only the special posting, the special posting was your accomplishment, right?
Yes, sir. Only 3 months posting.
Okay. Did you attend all the 3 months?
Yes.
Did you attend all the 3 months for neurosurgery?
Yes, sir. I was in the university department for 3 months whole, and assisted like 7 or 8 surgeries maybe. Mainly because in our department it's the neurosurgery department is not in a separate department itself, so we mainly used to do the shuntings and small spinal procedures, not very much.
Now, before joining neurosurgery special posting, was your inclination towards neurosurgery or something else?
It was always an inclination towards neurosurgery only, sir.
Okay. Now, when did you start your preparation? What is your experience, and what is your key behind your success? What are the strategies you practiced to get into rank number 4 in PGI for neurosurgery?
Sir, I started preparing from February this year only, 2021 itself. And I divided my time into 2 aspects, because I always knew that AIIMS is in April, so I'm not going to able to score that much in AIIMS. But in PGI, NEET PGI, I still have a chance. So I divided my time into 2 time slots, for which I have given general surgery and the neurosurgery times. And I knew that general surgery, so it is okay for me. I can cover up if I just give him food like 4 or 5 hours. But for neurosurgery, I started from the basics only. Okay, I first studied the neuroanatomy, then the neurovascular and neurophysiology. I studied the Snell's book, and I have seen the speed notes. I also covered the speed notes and speed videos also. They are also very helpful. So from that, I started to gain a little bit of a knowledge about the neurosurgery as what is it actually. Because without knowing the anatomy or physiology, I don't think I could have solved any question.
So, was your focus on institute or NEET for the preparation of neurosurgery?
So it was always the Central Institute first. That was my focus. And if not, then I will go for the state institutes also.
Okay. So did you attend all this daily live classes for general surgery and neurosurgery in the weekends?
Yes, sir. For general surgery, I have just seen your videos and attended your classes. And studied your notes only, sir.
Neurosurgery, did you attend the live classes?
Yes, sir. For neurosurgery, I was not able to attend all the classes, because I started from the beginning only. So initially, I missed all the classes which were organized for the neuroanatomy and vascular. So I started attending 2 or 3 classes. Then it's like, you can't understand anything. Just study then first the basics and then go for the classes. But what I used to do, I used to complete a topic by myself from books, and then I will watch the videos and study the matter also. So in that way, I have already completed like 20-30% of neurosurgery from. But whatever I have studied, It's like this is what I needed.
Okay. Did you work out on some MCQs?
No, sir. I didn't have the time to work on MCQs.
It's basically purely on theory based.
Yes, sir. Purely theory.
Okay. So now what will be your advice to anyone who is aspiring for neurosurgery in PGI or AIIMS? What will be your advice for them, and how you should tell them to prepare, and what all the guidelines you want to give?
First of all, everybody should divide their time. Also devote time to general surgery. It is as important. In fact, I will say it's more important in scoring a rank than the specialty branch itself. And revise consistently. General surgery is not difficult. You have already read it like 4 years, 5 years, and you can cover it very easily. And notes given by the sir, and all the lectures that is taken by the sir, it's absolutely outstanding. Don't need anything else, not even Bailey or distance shot, nothing you need. And for super specialty, I would suggest that everybody should start the prospective study and not the retrospective study. You can first solve the questions and then move back to the theory and then complete the theory. You have to start from the basics, first cover the basics and clear your anatomy and physiology, and then move on to the pathology and then do the questions. As sir, I was also, I had not planned for this July session of the PGI actually. I was aiming for December sessions. So that is why I have not revised anything or have not done the questions. Because I thought once I'll give the PGI, I will complete I just wanted to complete the syllabus till then. And then I will move on. I will revise 2 or 3 times, do the questions, and I might get successful in the December session. That was my aim.
Great. Now, how many hours you dedicated for this preparation from February? You said you actively started from February, am I right?
Yes, sir.
So how many hours you dedicated per hour until the exams?
Sir, I have given roughly around 8 to 10 hours per day, breaking my time 40 to 60 in the ratio 40 to 60 between specialty, 60%, 40% for the general surgery.
In that time, what all you will do? Can you share some routine that you followed for 8 hours? If you don't mind.
No, sir, sure. So I used to start my day by 10 if I was not on duty or something. By 10 for next 4 hours, I'll complete the general surgery theory part. So this was the first 2 months. I completed the theory part of general surgery.
How do you do? You read book or watch videos? What do you do?
So I used to do watch the videos plus your notes and the previous notes that I have prepared during my PG times. And small few topics from Bailey only, nothing else. Now,
see, I want to ask you a question. There are many students who are always asking what to do, how to do, because there are 3 divisions: general surgery, Bailey-based classes, and now sub-assistant-based classes integrated. Now, how you are utilizing it? We want to know how to use it as a student perspective. I always will say, see all the 3.
Sir, I have just taken the general surgery classes taken by you. Only that part I have seen completely. I had started to do the Bailey-based classes, and I have left the sub-assistant for the next 2 to 3 months. Sub-assistant-based classes.
Okay. Was the coverage of the content in general surgery, was it adequate? Do you believe that is this enough, or you feel that something more to be added you felt during your preparation?
So in my opinion, this is more than enough what you have covered in all the general surgery aspect. If you want to do something extra as a student, so we can always go through with the Bailey. We can see some lines from Bailey, especially the diagrams and tables from Bailey. That is important. And I think Sari was going to complete that also. As you told,
yeah, we covered as many tables and summary boxes as possible during the lectures.
Yes, sir.
9 by 9. Okay. So morning hours you will do general surgery, and afternoon hours you plan for specialty. Is that your schedule?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. From 3 p.m. onwards, after doing my lunch and all, till 9, I used to study the theory part of the super specialty, and then I'll have a dinner. And 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 after that, if I'm still able to do some questions, so for the night time, I have given the night time for the questions only. Okay, if I can able to do, I'll do 2 to 3 hours of questions. And every Sunday, I used to give a grand test in the later 3 or 4 months.
So totally the studying perspective has changed, over years. That I mean, reading, seeing more videos and attending MCQs, and I mean, from the book we have transformed to digital. Actually, I mean, slowly, without we knowing, both the
Yes,
teaching
sir.
aspect and also the learning aspect.
Yes, sir.
And 3-4 years before, it was not like that. We used to go and sit in the class, we make notes, and we spend that whole day for that. I mean, we have done a lot of exercise like that previously. Now the total learning algorithm is totally changed, and it works also. I believe it works also.
It's good also, sir. In the previous time, we have to go to this particular sub center, and so it usually used to take 2 or 3 days to get settled into that environment also. Now we are sitting in our home, and at the time at 6 p.m. I was studying, and at 1 p.m. I was attending your lecture. So this is something which can only happen on the online classes. So it's very helpful.
Online classes. And
Yeah.
we can stop the teacher, we can on the teacher, we can stay, we can tell him we'll keep quiet for some time, and we can again we can restart, we can watch how many hours we want, times we want.
Yes, exactly, sir.
And you adjust the speed of the videos also. When you want to talk fast, keep it 1.52, keep it fast. So I think I feel in days and years to come, even much more improvisation can happen in technology and learning. And anyway, I'm feeling very happy to talk to you today. I mean, because being a surgeon and to do a super specialty, and that to neurosurgery, because neurosurgery and cardiothoracic surgery are different from general surgery. They are nowhere connected. There is nothing connected. Doing general surgery, you can finish even anything. You can do you can do a gastro surgery. You can do a lot of things in general surgery itself.
Yes.
But where people cannot go and touch is the brain and the heart directly. I mean,
Yes,
unless you are gone to that particular specialty, which is very unique actually. I mean, not possible. Will not be possible at all. And they are very standalone specialties. And
yes,
standalone specialties, and today in the era of trauma, and I think it will be very rewarding, and the scope is very high, and you're taking a right specialty also as per your dream come true.
Thank you.
So and people who watch this session of the interview will also feel very relaxed, and will also want to. Their only relaxation today for the aspirants is to see videos who are successful. I mean, that gives a lot of confidence to them.
Yes, sir.
So that's the purpose of me getting this interview done with every topper, so that it can be motivating for others who are aspiring for the same. So once again, I wish you all the best and all the success.
Thank you so much, sir.
In Chandigarh, I'll tell you one thing. In Chandigarh, any specialty they open on, yes, I'm very satisfied that almost 90% of our students, any specialty in PGI and in the entire list. And anyway, this is very satisfying for the wonderful performance yourself as an individual and as a team who have done and brought a lot of glory to us. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.